Hey everyone, in today's video, I wanted to show you how to get Apple TV Plus, and you could get it with a 7-day free trial, and then it's only $5 a month after that. Or another way you could get it is by getting the latest Apple devices. I'll show you what devices those are. For that, you get it for an entire year for free. So I'll show you both of those options. Then we're gonna go ahead and sign into Apple TV here, sign up for the free 7-day trial, and I'll show you how to maneuver around the TV. I'll start here on a computer, and then I'll show you how to do it on the iPhone, and it's the same for the iPad. You could also get it on Apple TV devices. So let me scroll down here just to show you the different devices here, the ones I just mentioned. So Apple TV is this little device here where you could stream Apple TV Plus and a lot of other streaming services right onto your TV. And then you have your iPad, iPhone, and a Mac. And all these options, basically, if you buy any of these devices, you get 1 year for free. And these are some of the shows that they have to offer here. If you go to the link below, you could see some of those links, and that's the same place where we're gonna sign up. And on the very bottom of the page, I wanted to show you all the different devices, including ones not made by Apple. So PC, Samsung TV, Fire TV. You could see all the supported devices here. Buy an Apple device and get a year on us. So you could learn more here on all the different devices that you could get, including even a new iPhone will get you 1 year for free. Or in this case, we're gonna do the try it for free for 7 days. So click the link below in the description, and then you could just press watch now on top of that page. And if you're on a Mac, as long as you have the latest operating system, you're gonna have an application called TV. It's right here in the center of my page. Again, if I go to about this Mac, you need this operating system, OS Catalina. As long as you have this operating system, which you could upgrade for free right now, and I have a different video about how to upgrade to this if you don't know how to do that, you will get this application. Otherwise, I'll show you on the phone, iPad, how to get it there, and that one, you just get an application from the App Store. So I'm gonna press Open TV. And when you come to the TV app here, you just have to press try it for free. Again, it's gonna tell you that it's a whole week of free and then $5, so you could binge a lot of the shows to see if you like it before you keep it. Try for free, and then it's gonna require your Apple ID. Now, if you don't have an Apple ID, you could just go ahead and create one. The process is easy. Again, there's a different video if you want more information on that, but just sign in. I already have one, so I'm gonna go ahead and sign in. And as soon as the sign in is done, the process of the free sign up is done. After the 7 days, you'll get billed through your iTunes store. Now that I'm signed in here, let me go ahead and expand the TV app to show you a little bit about it. So watch now, that's the page I'm on right now, and you could see some of the Apple TV Plus shows right here. So some of these big shows that they've been talking about for the last 6 months or so, and you could go ahead and scroll through and click any of them. Let me go ahead and just click the morning show here. And here you could go ahead and play a episode here, or you could download it and you could see more about the show. Now, unlike Netflix, they're not going to release that entire season all at once. They're going to release one episode at a time. This episode's a little over an hour, so it's going to show you right here and when it was released. And then you could always go back right here with this back button here. I'm going to show you on the iPhone next, but let's just explore a little bit more. You could come down here and see some of the stars of the different shows and learn more about them that way by clicking there. But it's pretty straightforward. If you ever use a streaming app of any kind, this is exactly the same way. And this is just one of the ways you could use it on a Mac or a PC using an app that looks like this. But let's now jump into the phone. I want to show you how to get it on your mobile device, iPhone or iPad. So if you come on a mobile device, basically the same exact page that I showed you on the computer, if you press watch now, it's gonna launch the App Store here instead of the TV app inside of the Mac. So I'm gonna show in the App Store. And in this case, this is a brand new app, so it doesn't have any rating. So I'm gonna go ahead and download it. Again, unlike some other streaming platforms, this is not web-based. It happens all inside of the app. So you have to make sure you have the app for the device that you're on, and it's compatible with a lot of different devices. So I'm gonna press open, press start watching. And I'll go ahead and sign out here so you can see the sign up process if you haven't signed in yet. I obviously signed in on a computer, so I'm gonna sign out. And when you come to it, when you're signed out, you will have to do the free trial, and that should be somewhere in the middle of the page. So I'm gonna go ahead and press that, and then I'll come to this page where I have to try it for free. So I'll go ahead and select that. And then again, you could sign in with your Apple ID. Now, if you've used a different device to sign in, don't worry, it's not going to sign you up another time. it's gonna connect the two different devices using your Apple ID. So after I sign up, it says I'm already subscribed because I did it on my Mac, so I could just press OK and not worry about it. So again, the same thing. If you wanted to watch another show here, we'll go to For All Mankind, press it, and you could just go ahead and press play on the first episode. That simple. And that's all it takes to sign up for Apple TV Plus on your Mac or on your iOS device. I hope you found this useful. Please subscribe to this channel. I'll post a ton of useful Apple TV Plus tutorials and daily tech videos, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.